Assalamualaikum. We are the group from Sultan-Ul-Uloom Public School, Banjara Hills. My group consists of 5 people, namely me, Abdullah, my friend Abbas, my friend Junaid, my friend Ayan, and my friend Ahad. Today we are excited to present our DIY Arduino robot, a smart robot capable of obstacle avoiding, voice control and Bluetooth control. The idea behind this project was to build a multifunctional affordable robot using Arduino and make it interactive and intelligent. We combined 3 different control methods to make the robot adaptable to various real-world situations. Our goal was to learn about embedded systems, sensors, automation and wireless communication while building something fun and useful. Thank you. From here on, Abbas will continue.
The project focused on obstacle avoidance system. We used an ultrasonic sensor which works like a bat. It sends sound waves and measures how long they take to bounce back. If the robot detects an object too close in front, it automatically turns left or right to avoid collision. This allows the robot to navigate safely without any manual control. The logic was coded using Arduino's IDE, and we constantly measured distances to make real-time decisions. Now my friend Junaid will take over.
Voice control feature. This allows us to control the robot using simple voice commands like forward, left or stop. We use a voice recognition module or a smartphone app connected to Bluetooth to receive commands. The robot decodes these commands and moves accordingly. This introduces a layer of smart interactivity, showing how voice interfaces are becoming more common in modern tech, from smart homes to personal assistants. Now my friend Ayan will continue.
Focus was on Bluetooth control. We use an SC05 Bluetooth module connected to Arduino with a custom or pre-built mobile app. We can manually control the robot using buttons or a joystick or our phone. This gives users full remote control over the robot from a distance. The Bluetooth range is around 10 meters and its path helps us understand wireless communication and serial data transmission in Arduino project. Thank you. That will continue.
Our project shows how combining different technologies, sensors, voice control and wireless communication can result in a smart interactive robot. This robot can be expanded further with features like camera vision, line following or even AI-based decision making. Through this project, we learn teamwork, coding, hardware, integration and problem solving. We hope this inspires others to explore robotics and DIY projects using Arduino. Thank you.